Illinois redneck grit. Fun as you can do.
Holy shit. No, which one is it?
It's
I don't know. It's not a good one, probably.
Oh, dang. Oh. There's a distance sign.
Yeah. Are you in the road?
Yeah, I'm on the road.
Okay, this one I gotta be careful. That one.
Woo!
Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Here we go.
Here we go, right now. Let's go. Woo!